It's easy, the car's good, the gauges are working, and then story of my life. What's up, everybody? So today is the day I'm going to tell you what's wrong with my baby right here. What code it threw that just changed everything. Besides that, please do comment below and tell me how you like the new intro. But right now, let's just give this car a jump because it's been chilling for quite some time now. Let's do this. So you see, I got both babies hooked up. The one is jumping the other, even though that battery's shit as well. Like, damn. I'm going through a lot in this lockdown, but I just want you guys to hear what it sounds like and my future plans with the car and what I'm going to do with it for the time being until I have enough money and the lockdown is completely over. Then we can resume the build entirely, but we'll do everything little by little by little until everything is done. But for now, yeah. Okay, it's do or die time. It is do or die. Will it start and will it throw the code even after I cleared it? So hopefully it won't, but I'm sure it won't throw the code. But the knock noise, yeah, that's loud. That's very loud. Okay, so the battery is really dead. I'm gonna have to wait a minute, and if that doesn't happen, then I don't know. We'll see what happens. This car's big, you see. I can't pass this side, and I can't pass this side as well. So just over there. I mean, plus I'm tall, so these things are very easy for me. I'm gonna give this car to charge that battery about 15 minutes, and if in that 15 minutes none happens, we do have a second plan. It's the one I don't want to go through. My second plan is to take out the battery from this car and put it there directly, start that car, then bring the battery back. But it's so much admin because this car is in the boot. You have to take out the spare wheel and take out the cover, and all my bags are in the boot and all that stuff. So I'm not in the mood to do or to go through all of that. I just want the simple way, which is connecting the jumpers right there and everybody's happy. 15 minutes is actually a long time. Well, I'm gonna go back and check it now. It's been like 7 or 8. If it doesn't happen this time, then I'm gonna have to change the batteries. I really don't want to do that, but it looks like I will. So again, this is take 2. Oh, she's on. Ah. Can you hear how bad it is? This is a knock. Woo! First time it sees the light of anything. It sees the street in a while. I can't catch a break with these EJ motos. This one is definitely an EJ25. The knock seems to be coming from somewhere around here. So my hope is that it's the timing chain, because the last time when it was the actual bearing or the ringland failure, it was actually coming from back here and it was much louder. The car could not get to temperature without cutting or installing itself. This time it actually sits at temperature. It just has that very irritating noise. I think it's the camshaft that's over advanced, but yeah. Woo, guys, I'm in love with this car. This thing is hard, bro. Damn it. Yeah, it's a real dream come true. You see, this is why I want to move this car. Somebody's bird is having fun with my car. Like, are you for real right now? Yeah, this is my baby. Even the overlays have lost their color. They were red. It's not necessarily always pink. Whew. With the single big tip. Oh my gosh. Depending on my energy, I will see if I want to wash the Beamer. But the Beamer gets washed every week or so. It's actually very clean since the last time I washed it. It's just, you know, you want all your babies clean. But that car, I feel like I'm definitely moving it, because yeah, the clear coat is starting to like in the one corner, and that kind of breaks my heart, because I'm not someone who neglects my cars, if that makes sense. This process is taking longer than I thought, so I'm just gonna speed it up, and after this click, this car should be clean. And voila, she clean, she mean, she's coming to the babies. Damn, let's do this. Let's go to the streets, boy. I hope she starts now, but given, I don't want to jump it again, it takes too long, but given the fact that I didn't let it run for too long, it will definitely not start. This car is very shocking, very shocking. So I'm going to drive the car down the road to see if that code and maybe another code will jump out. If none of those two codes jump out, then I'm good. If not, we'll take it in, get it inspected, and see exactly what's broken. So my baby, until I come back to do whatever I do to you, good night. Good night. Oh, the Subi is clean. So plans going forward, I think I should find a house for it, or I should find housing for it, because parking in car parks and in backyards doesn't work. It just leaves the car very dirty, and now the paint is peeling, and I don't even want to show you guys that, because my heart is, it's sore myself, you know. So I'm going to find a garage to park it in, and I think maybe in a month or two I will go get the solenoids checked, and we'll also check the timing, because I'm definitely sure that it's timing, because it does boost. You can feel that it has the power when you accelerate over what, 1.5, 2.5 ish, 1.5 to 2. That knock, that timing chain noise doesn't make, it's not there anymore. So let's see what happens within a month or two. But in the meantime, stay tuned. there is a lot of cool stuff that'll still happen to this channel. Deuces, y'all. Boom.